Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can name a box in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. In Excel, right next to the formula bar on the left-hand side, you'll see the name box. Its main job is to display the address of the currently active cell. For example, if I select cell D1, the name box will immediately show D1. If I move to another cell, the name box updates to show that cell's address. This helps you always know exactly where you are working in your sheet. Another useful point, the name box can also store names that you define for cells or ranges. For instance, if you assign a name like sales data to a range, you'll see it appear in the name box whenever that range is selected. So, the name box is always located to the left of the formula bar, and it's a quick way to identify or navigate to any active cell or named range in Excel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.